Our South Sudan flag is burning. Our beloved country is presently in crisis, conflict, tribalism, division, which is destroying our beautiful nation. Our country is currently on fire because of the greed for power and hatred between tribes and our failure to unite as one people. We the people of South Sudan must reflect deeply. Too often we prioritize power over unity. We choose tribe over truth. Instead of seeking the right leader, regardless of he or her tribe, we often want our tribe to rule. But let me tell you something, no nation has ever risen through tribalism. It only brings pain, destruction, and endless suffering. It is time we rise above it. Let us leave behind the toxic mindset of tribal division. Let us embrace unity, respect, and love for one another. Because united we stand, divided we fall. If you are a South Sudanese and you truly love your country, I urge you to like, comment, share this message, and let the world hear our cry. If you haven't seen my face before, well now you can see me. My name is ZUZU and my channel is ZUZU LMTV. My YouTube channel is also ZUZU LMTV. I would highly recommend you to follow me here on TikTok, because if you don't follow me, you might not see my face again, because TikTok might not recommend my videos to you if you are not one of my followers. I would also highly recommend you to head to my YouTube channel, ZUZU LMTV. The name is on the screen as you can see, because I normally share valuable stories, longer content on my YouTube channel, and I don't want you to miss out on any of the valuable stories that I share. That's all I want to say. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and God bless South Sudan.